Hello there, and welcome to your free Microsoft 365 training series, designed especially for job seekers who want to level up their digital skills. I am Tat from IITI, and I will be taking you through all of the sections of this course. Many people think you need expensive software to create a professional CV, apply for jobs online, or join an interview on video. That is just not true. Microsoft gives you powerful tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive, all for free and all online. If you are brand new, what this means is that you need an internet connection to access these applications we are going to use, but you can access it on almost any device. Typing on a phone might be a little tricky, but it is definitely not impossible. This series will concentrate on using the free applications provided by Microsoft, called M365 or Microsoft 365. Even if you are brand new to computers, even if all you've done before is browse Facebook on your phone, you can do this. We're going to take it one app at a time, step by step. You'll learn how to create a CV that looks amazing and on trend, track your job applications using Excel, send emails that get noticed by employers, join online meetings confidently, and safely store your documents so that you never lose them. These are real skills that employers are looking for every single day. We'll build them together, one click at a time. Everything this course will cover is available for free with just a Microsoft 365 account and an internet connection. You can even use a library computer. You can go to an internet cafe. Because it is online, you can log in on a browser, do what you need to do, log back out, and go on your way. You don't need any fancy equipment to start building your future. As I said previously, you can use your phone. It will be a little bit tricky, but it can be done. This is just the beginning. We'll keep on adding new sessions to help you grow even more. So subscribe so you don't miss any future training sessions. Here at IITI, we are all about empowering you to succeed. And if you want more detail or advanced training, you might already be working and you might need a little bit of help with your Microsoft applications. We offer that too. Just have a look at our website. All of the links will be below this video. So, are you ready to unlock the tools that can open up real possibilities? Let's get started, and I will guide you every step of the way.